Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CADCAM Tech 360. Like, share and subscribe and also click bell icon to get my Hello guys, today we are going to design chair, plastic chair. For that I go to sketch, draw the rectangle from the center position. I give the dimension 250 and this side also I give 250. Okay, go to finish sketch and extrude it. 0 here, 300. Okay, I give 300 there. And dropped, sorry, this is offset. In dropped I give -10. Okay, it look like this. Click on OK. Now what I will do is I go to surface and split body. I select this face. It's not selecting. I go to reset and select new plane. Okay, now it's selecting a face only. Give offset, this distance is 25. Okay, yeah, is splitted. Then go for offset region and select these 4 side faces. Give 5 mm offset. Okay, click on OK. Now I unite it. It become a single object. I hide the curve and give a radius all the corners here and this corner as well, here, and this side, and the top side also we have to give the same radius. Okay, it's too small. I give a 25. This is also not enough. I think I give 30 mm and click on OK. Okay, let's look okay. Then I go to shell, select this face and I give a value 5. This 5 is nothing but its thickness. Okay, I go to sketch and offset this curve inside. I offset this curve 30 mm and I draw the line from here to okay, here to there, and also here. Okay, and bottom also you have to draw the one line and join it. Okay, next what I will do is I extrude this curve. Okay, go to finish sketch, and to visible I reduce this, extrude, and here we have to select a single curve and select like this. Okay, now we have to rotate it at 90 degree. For that move object, this shortcut key is Control plus T. Okay, given 90 degree, and it's come like this. Now I go to subtract it, select the chair, and there's 4 blocks. Okay, hide it. Okay, we got the chair. I give a radius this all corners. Okay, this 4 side apply, and here, and this corner apply, this one, and here, and here, and this corner. Okay, same thing we have to do here also. Okay, and this corner. Like this we have to complete whole corners. Okay, and here give a small radius. I'm going to give 2 mm. Okay, this 4 side we have to give same radius. Okay, it looks so good. In top portion I make cutouts. For that I draw the rectangle and I give the dimension of 10, and this side also I am going to give 10, and go to finish sketch. And extrude it. Extrude and subtract. Okay, click on OK. Subtract and click on OK. Now go for insert and pattern feature. I select this. I give a value 5 and distance is 50. Count is 5. Okay, apply. Okay, this side same as well. Okay, now select all cutouts and select this direction, apply, and again select these cutouts and select the opposite direction, change the direction and click on OK. Okay, we got like this. Okay, if you like this video, subscribe my channel, you get my latest video. Now I am going to change colors. To come this window, Control plus L. Okay, we have completed this chair design, and I am going to copy three chairs. I give a distance 250. 250 is not enough. I give a 350. 350 also not enough. I give a 450. Okay, this is okay. I give count 4. Oh, this is too much. I give a 3 and click on OK. I going to change the color. Each color, each chair I give a different color. Okay, it's look so good. Okay guys, if you like my video, like, share, subscribe and also comment your doubts and your suggestions. Thank you guys, we will see in next video. Thank you.